Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is the Organized Money, where we talk about planning life and managing money. If that interests you, then make sure that you hit that subscribe button, as I would love for you to be a part of our little family. Today's video is going to be a plan with me in my classic Happy Planner. As you know, I use two planners. The first one is the hourly setup, in which I kind of keep track of everything that I have kind of going on, my day-to-day. It's a very functional planner for me, which means that I just kind of jot things down as they come up. I may add stickers here and there, but it is really not a decorative planner for me. My decorative planner is my to-do planner, which is a vertical style planner. So what I normally do is I keep all of my notes for the upcoming week in my hourly planner, and then I will transfer it over to my vertical planner. And this is just so I can stay on top of everything that I have going on, but I can also feed my creative side and be able to use stickers and kits. So for this upcoming week, I do have some sticky notes here, just a couple of reminders, and this is the sticker kit that I'm going to be using. So on the 9th, which will be the day that you see this video, it will be my 38th birthday, and I wanted to use this sticker kit from Cinderella paper in order to celebrate, because I am going to the spa on Monday, and this kit kind of just represents my birthday when I saw it. So you have 8 sticker full boxes. You also have your heart checklist. You have some washi in here and some smaller boxes. You got half boxes, you got your date covers along with the weekday covers. You have task lists and also some trackers, the weekend banner, some bill due stickers. You have some little icons, water trackers, working out trackers. I really love this, along with the steps. Today, to do little things next week. This week goes exercise spending and important stickers. You also have some glitter headers, one big full box, and some other smaller boxes for television, meals, and things like that. So you get a lot with this kit. I really like it. I probably can use it across a couple of my other planners, but we will see what is left over after I finish planning this particular week. So let's go ahead and get started. So I usually like to start with the washi, and I'm just gonna put it across the bottom here. And after the washi is down, I like to put up my weekday covers. But this kit was made for an Erin Condren, so I'm gonna have to see exactly how this is going to work. Now, I'm not sure how I feel about the bright numbers at the top. Might end up adding some washi at the top and using the date covers here, but I'm going to put down the full boxes and then see how I feel afterwards. Putting this box here because I am going to the spa on Monday morning, so I think that that is a fitting full box to have there. I think I am going to end up covering this section right here. I really don't like when Happy Planner does this, when they put too much color on the side. And I know I probably should have just gotten a different type of planner, but it's just my preference. I think I'm becoming more and more of a neutral girl, and I like to decorate as I see fit. So now I'm seeing if I can use my glitter hitters to cover this side graphic that's right here. I was gonna white it out, but I felt like it was gonna be a lot of white out. So I'm going to see how well this works. We are experimenting here. Okay, so this is the finished spread for my birthday week. I still have a bunch of stickers left over. And if you know anything about me, then I like to use all of the stickers. So I think what I'm going to do is transfer some of these stickers to my other planners, like these water bars and workout and my step count. I'm going to put those in my health planner for this week. I'm also going to use some of these icon stickers in my social media planner. I'm going to try and bring a lot of these stickers over and use some of these in my budget planner for this week. So yeah, it's just so that I don't like let all of these stickers go to waste. And my weeks can also coordinate. So I was kind of looking into doing that, to creating coordinating weeks for my own sticker kits. So let me know if that's something that you guys are interested in. But this is the full week for my vertical planner. And I absolutely love how this came out. For this upcoming week, I do have a spa appointment on Monday. I know I have a meeting that evening for my women's empowerment group. It's All Access Foundation. I have a space where I can write all of my to-dos. I didn't put that many to-dos on my actual birthday because I know I won't be doing much on my birthday, but enjoying myself. I am going to dinner that evening. I have some meetings on Wednesday. I have the full box here for all of my to-dos. Thursday I have a meeting, also all of my to-dos, and I really love how this spread came out. I almost don't want to put pen to it, and I like how this came out too. I thought I wasn't gonna like it because it took so much for me to put all of these glitter hitters down, but I really do love this spread. So now let me flip to my health planner and see if I can add some of the rest of these stickers there. Last week I was out of town, so I didn't do much in my health planner. But this health planner has helped me out so much, guys. I recently posted a picture on my Instagram just sharing with you guys that I lost 25 pounds, and it's mainly from keeping up with my health planner and actually doing the stuff that I have written down. So I'm really like proud of the accomplishment that I have achieved, and I am continuing on using this. Okay, so here is the full spread for my health planner, and I really like how this came out too. And I still have stickers left over, but I'm still planning on using them for my social media planner for this particular week too. So I just love how many stickers that you get, but you know, I am on a mission to use them all because I do not like wasting stickers. So this is my full spread for my health planner this week. I love how colorful it is. I actually really like using stickers in all of my planners now, except for my functional one, which is my hourly one. I will definitely keep that one functional so that I can have one place where I can just jot things down as they come up. So I'm going to add this back. And as you guys know, I've been doing this process since April. I changed up my planner and added back my health planner to the mix. And from April to July, I have lost 25 pounds. I am currently doing keto, and it has really changed how I am taking care of myself, taking care of my body, and taking care of my family. So this has really been helping me out. I love my planners. I love how they have helped me organize my life. So this is the full spread in my health planner. And this is the full spread of my vertical planner. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this plan with me, and I will definitely come back probably tomorrow to do my social media planner, and probably Thursday will be my budget planning. And so that's it for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. I will see you in the next one. And until next time, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye, guys.